Welcome home. This is the Irish Roots Cafe, where every day is a holiday and there's always room for one more. The song we got tonight is It's by the Rising of the Moon, which was my dear old grandfather's favorite song on my Donahue side, from what I'm told. And this song is also, you'll see the tune was picked up by a song that goes like, "Oh, Patty dear, and did you hear the news that's going round? The shamrock's been forbid by law to grow on Irish ground." But this one we're doing here now is about the 1798 rising, or you might call it a war if you were involved in it. And young Sean O'Farrell plays a prominent role in real life, and he lived on in several songs, I believe. So the song is going to be "It's by the Rising of the Moon." Come now, tell me, Sean O'Farrell, tell me why you hurry so. Hush me, buachaill, hush and listen, and his cheeks were all aglow. I bear orders from the captain, get ye ready quick and soon. For the pikes must be together by the rising of the moon. By the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon. For the pikes must be together by the rising of the moon. Come now, tell me, Sean O'Farrell, where the gath'rin is to be. At the old spot by the river, quite well known to you and me. One more word for signal token, sing out the marchin' tune. For the pikes must be together by the rising of the moon. Out of many a mud wall cabin eyes were watching through the night. Many a manly heart was beating for the blessed warning light. Mummers rang along the valley to the banshee's lonely croon, and 1,000 pikes were marching by the rising of the moon. By the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon. And 1,000 pikes were marching by the rising of the moon. All along that singing river, that black mass of men was seen. High above their shining weapons flew their own beloved green. A death to every foe and traitor, oh, whistle out the marching tune. Hurrah, me boys, for freedom! 'Tis the rising of the moon.